Then Nikola Tesla bequeathed us a divine secret that stands as a beacon of manifestation power unmatched in the cosmos. Then prepare to embark on a journey into the heart of one of the universe's most potent tools for manifestation. Then Nikola Tesla himself proclaimed that this technique is the master key to the cosmos now. Then ponder this. Then have you ever dreamt of unlocking the mysteries of the universe and crafting the life of your dreams? Then the solution resides in the 369 method. Then, however, before we dive into this method, let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable life of Nikola Tesla, born on July 10, 1856, in what is now Croatia. Tesla was an extraordinary inventor, an electrical engineer whose innovations have left an indelible mark on science and technology. He was the man who illuminated the world with his pioneering work on alternating current, the induction motor, and the Tesla coil. He also laid the foundation for future discoveries in X-rays, neon lighting, remote control technology, radio, and beyond. Tesla's legacy continues to influence our world to this day. Then now let's delve into the enigma of vortex math. Then this theory, proposed by visionary scientists in the field of quantum physics, then suggests that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 hold a unique connection to the fabric of the universe. Then bridging the third and fourth dimensions, then within the third dimension, these distinct frequencies manifest as vibrations at the atomic level. Then observations of atoms reveal their compliance with the divine 369 code, where a staggering 99.99999% of an atom structure is void, with the number 9 playing a pivotal role. Then this observation is in harmony with the idea of a vector field that spans from the third to the fourth dimension. Then, additionally, the relationship between the numbers 3, 6, and 9 and the concept of time presents another layer of fascination. Then, scientifically, time is categorized into past, present, and future through 3 distinct aspects. Moreover, a day comprises 24 hours, adding up to 6, just as 60 minutes make an hour and 60 seconds make a minute, all echoing the numerical patterns of 3s and 6s in our daily experience. Tesla's obsession with the triangle of energy, frequency, and vibration was rooted in his belief that these were the fundamental keys to the universe. Then he is famously quoted as saying, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Then Tesla acknowledges the profound impact these elements have on our existence. Then, by mastering and leveraging their essence, then we unlock the boundless capabilities of the cosmos. Then, here's the method D itself. Then first, then identify 3 positive statements you wish to manifest in your life. Then, these could range from financial goals like "I am thrilled and thankful" to be earning $10,000 monthly, to personal aspirations such as "I am elated and grateful for finding my soulmate." Then, it might also involve achieving optimal health, then securing a job promotion, then or excelling as the leading salesperson in your organization. Then second, then go over your chosen affirmations 6 times daily. Then, that's correct, 6 times daily. Then, however, let's delve deeper to comprehend the substantial impact this practice can have. These 3 affirmations have the power to become reality, although it might not be immediately apparent. They are already present within the quantum realm according to the principles of vortex math. By vocalizing these affirmations and reviewing them for merely 9 seconds on each occasion, you're engaging their inherent energy, frequency, and vibration to elucidate the technique. Then let's consider an example. Then suppose your goal is to attract financial prosperity. Then you might use the affirmation, "I am excited and thankful for the unexpected financial windfall of $10,000. Then dedicate 9 seconds to ponder this affirmation. Then don't just recite the words without feeling genuinely immersed in the joy and anticipation of receiving this money. Then speak it aloud with belief as though it has already come to pass. Then imagine the wealth flowing towards you and genuinely feel thankful for it. Then apply this method to each of your affirmations, fully engaging with their energy, frequency, and vibration for simplicity. Then arrange this activity in end-day cycles. Place your affirmations on your bathroom mirror, then hang them on your walls, or keep them with you on note cards. This ensures they are always accessible for quick reflection. Adhere to this 9-second practice diligently for 9 consecutive days and observe the transformation that occurs. This method is backed by scientific principles. The energy that matches your desires exists within the quantum field, ready for you to access it. When you synchronize with the vibrational frequency of your affirmations, you start to draw in and actualize what you wish for. Then, it's important to understand that this technique transcends mere hopeful thinking or simple positive statements. Then it involves a conscious effort to harmonize your thoughts, feelings, and vibrational energy with that of your aspirations. Then intentional creation transforms you into a proactive creator who proactively pursues the life you want. Consider you've crafted a potent affirmation to attract a financial influx of over $10,000, such as "I am thankful and thrilled to effortlessly welcome over $10,000 into my existence." With this affirmation, you establish a clear target for your wealth. We will now delve into applying the 369 method to achieve this financial objective. Firstly, select 3 affirmations that resonate with your goal of financial prosperity. In addition to the previously mentioned affirmation, consider adding, "I am deserving of endless financial prosperity. I am ready and welcoming of chances that lead to significant wealth. And I am in harmony with the frequency of prosperity and affluence." These affirmations reinforce your sense of deservingness. Readiness and synchronicity with wealth are amplifying your ability to manifest. Second, engage with your affirmations 6 times daily, dedicating 9 seconds to each. Choose a serene location where you can deeply connect with this practice. Then shut your eyes, inhale deeply, and concentrate on the initial affirmation. Then declare it with belief, embodying the feelings of appreciation and joy as though the wealth has already been attained. Then picture yourself engulfed in affluence and opportunities for financial gain. Then apply this method to each affirmation, then allotting 9 seconds per affirmation. Then, to seamlessly incorporate this activity into your day, then place your affirmations where you'll see them often, like on your bathroom mirror. Then set notifications on your mobile device, or keep them in your purse or wallet. Then it's crucial to consistently reflect on your affirmations throughout the day for the greatest effect. Dedicate yourself to this practice for a continuous 9 days. During this period, stay alert and receptive to the indications, chances, and coincidences that emerge. Have faith in the universe's capacity to adjust your vibrational energy to match the financial prosperity you're pursuing during this journey. Keep a hopeful attitude, let go of any skepticism or self-imposed constraints, and actively pursue your financial objectives. Then imagine you are already basking in the wealth you seek, and let this vision inspire your efforts. As you persist in these practices, you might begin to notice changes in your financial circumstances, then be it through newfound opportunities, then serendipitous gains, or paths to increased earnings. Then these moments are pivotal. Then it's vital to appreciate each progression towards your aim and remain receptive to the prosperity flowing into your life. Then, manifestation is a collaborative effort that involves your intentions and the universe's response. Then, by continuously synchronizing your energy frequency and vibration with your vision of wealth, then you signal to the universe your readiness to receive the means and chances to achieve what you wish for. Then Nikola Tesla highlighted the profound significance of energy, frequency, and vibration. Then Trinity, then with this foundation, it's your turn to act and turn your dreams into reality. Then, this approach is scientifically grounded, recognizing that energy in its essence is constant and merely awaits our engagement. You can unleash boundless possibilities when you embrace this trinity as an intentional creator and remember the capacity to mold. Your existence lies within you. Maintain faith in your affirmations and remain open to the myriad of fortunes destined for you.